If your GMC Sierra's air conditioning or blower fan stopped working, don't rush to replace the compressor or blower motor yet. Check these key fuses and relay before you waste any money. Start inside the truck on the driver's side. Pop off the side dashboard access panel to reach the interior fuse box. Look for fuse 7 and fuse 8. These control your climate control system and HVAC control module. If your AC indicator lights won't turn on, or the control panel is completely dead, this is where your search begins. Next, move under the hood to the main electrical center. Locate fuse 5 and fuse 65. Fuse 5 powers the front climate control fan, while fuse 65 feeds power directly to the climate control controller. If your dash controls light up fine, but there's zero airflow coming through the vents on any speed setting, this blower fuse number 5 is most likely blown. Now, if your fan blows air just fine, but it's blowing warm, or that snowflake AC light keeps flashing at you, stay right here under the hood. Pull fuse 42 first. This 10-amp fuse supplies power directly to your AC compressor clutch magnet. Right beside it, check Relay 8, which triggers the compressor to lock up and spin. If fuse 42 is good, but the compressor clutch still won't engage, Relay 8 is your main suspect. Find an identical, non-essential relay, like the one for your horn, and swap them. If your AC starts blowing cold, you just saved yourself a trip to the mechanic.